Welcome, friends, to this guided forest meditation. I invite you now to pause, to breathe, and to begin a quiet journey into the heart of nature. I encourage you to find a quiet place in a wooded area, preferably. If that's unavailable, then find a comfortable outdoor space that will allow you to take some time for yourself and for your meditation. Now sit and relax in a comfortable position. Let's begin by closing your eyes, if you feel comfortable doing so, and taking a slow, deep breath in, and gently let it out. Feel the weight of your body begin to settle. Take another deep breath in. Hold it. Now let it out slower and longer. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw soften. Take another deep breath in. Hold. And let it out slowly. Let go of the noise of the day. Take another deep breath in. And a longer, slower breath out. Now bring your attention to your breath. There's no need to change the rhythm or your breathing. Just notice it. Imagine each breath as a breeze rustling through the leaves. Inhale. The forest fills you. Exhale. Tension leaves your body. Begin to scan your body slowly from your head to your toe. Notice your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Allow them to relax. With each exhale, allow these areas to soften. Move down through your arms, your chest, and your belly. Again, with each exhale, allow these areas to soften. Now relax your hips, your legs, and your feet, right down to your toes. Feel yourself held as if lying on soft moss, the earth gently supporting you. Now imagine yourself standing at the edge of a forest path. The air is fresh, it's cool, and it's very much alive. The sunlight is filtering through the canopy of the trees. It's casting patterns of gold and green. With each step that you take into this forest, you feel more grounded, more at peace. You begin to notice the sounds around you. The bird song, the leaves rustling. Perhaps you can hear a distant stream. Feel your feet connecting with the earth, the solid, ancient ground beneath you. The trees stand tall around you like gentle guardians. Their branches sway above you in slow rhythm, almost like they're breathing. With each inhale that you take in their calm. With each exhale, you offer your gratitude. As you walk deeper into this forest, you feel very safe here. You come to a small clearing. It's very peaceful here. The forest holds you. It comforts you. You look around and you choose a place to sit or to stand still. You can feel the breeze touch your skin. Smell the damp moss. Hear the soft rhythm of nature. Here, in this forest, there's nothing to do but be. Now allow the forest to speak to your heart, not with words, but with presence. What does it feel like to truly be here, to just exist, with the trees, with the light, with the silence? Feel your connection with the forest around you. Let yourself linger here a moment longer. There's no rush today. This is your chance to let nature refill you, to replenish you. You can feel that you are part of this forest. You belong here. You are whole here. Take another deep breath in. Hold it. And gently let that breath out. Begin to deepen your breath more now. With each breath in, you can feel the love from the forest. With each breath out, you are giving gratitude back to the forest for all that it does for you. Now stay in this forest, in this beautiful clearing, in this restful place for as long as you wish. And when you're ready to return, start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Start noticing how your body feels. Maybe a little lighter, a little more connected. Remember that you can return to this forest anytime you need stillness or healing. It's always here, within you. Now when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and welcome back.